If you are working on any electrical, make sure the main power to the house is off. And if you don't feel comfortable working with electrical, I would call a professional to do the work for me or somebody that could help me. I got a garbage disposal here. Now, it's stopped up. It's making a noise. And it's, I don't know if you can hear it, and it's not going down. So the main problem with these, so normally you take one of these, you got a hole, you break it loose. That should be the problem. Some garbage disposals do not have the Allen key access to the bottom. Now, an alternative, if you have a cheaper model, you can always stick a screwdriver in here and kind of manually force it around in a circle, you know what I mean? But make sure the switch is off. If you're not comfortable, turn off the power to the whole house. But